Welcome to Grafting Trees, a beginner's guide. I'm Annie Heslop, and today we'll explore the fascinating world of tree grafting. Whether you're an aspiring gardener or simply curious about plant propagation, this video is for you. Grafting is a technique used to combine different plant parts, creating a single tree with desirable traits. It's like nature's version of genetic engineering. Let's dive into the basics. Grafting involves joining a scion, the top part of one tree, to a rootstock, the base of another tree. The scion contributes the desired characteristics, such as fruit quality, while the rootstock provides stability and resilience. There are various grafting methods, including cleft grafting, whip grafting, and bud grafting. Each method has its own advantages and best practices. Now, let's walk through the grafting process step by step. And there you have it, a crash course on tree grafting. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab your pruners, scion wood, and rootstock, and let's create some amazing trees together.